Through the split green gate, past dew on the figs and the sleeping date, a fox by the path and a moth in the pears. Every leaf had a name, every branch knew my fears. Then the ground started breathing slow under my feet. I heard little hearts in the roots and the heat, and the vines took my wrist like they knew where I'd been. Like the whole wild place said, come back again. Garden of living creatures, hold me in your shade.